Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Hole in the Wall Beads on Facebook. It's a Distash group, or, I don't even know if I don't think it's Distash. I think it's just a sales group run by Nina, and she has amazing deals. So you never know what you're going to get, and she doesn't really keep things in stock. So you kind of just have to be there when she has a sale. I wanted to show you things I got. I don't remember what I got because it was a while back that I ordered this stuff and it showed up today, even though she shipped really quickly after she sent my invoice. So let's just take a quick look. So it says 12 at 50 cents. So each one of these beads was 50 cents. Oh my gosh, they're teeny tiny. These are buffalo beads. So they're like little carved fetish beads in the shape of buffaloes. Oh, that's so cute. So that's either a magnesite or howlite, probably howlite, maybe. I don't remember. So we got 4 white ones. I don't remember what stone this is. I just thought they were so cute, and the hole goes that way. These are cute, 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 cute. I can see me doing something with these on a chandelier pendant. So I got 4 white, 4 green, and then this is, I cannot remember the name of this stone. I think it's some kind of jasper, but they're so teeny tiny. Oh my gosh, those are cute. So, okay, so those were the first little baggie. And then this one was another carved fetish bead. These are hand carved. I can't remember what this one's $1.50. I don't know, is that a rhino? Maybe a bear? I don't know, it's super cute, and I don't know what stone that is either, but I love it. How do you guys like the new lights, huh? I got these from Amazon. They are wonderful. I tried them out yesterday on my live for the first time. Next is this coin. It's a stamping. It's not a coin. But I think I'm going to make a mold before I use this in anything, which I can see this just kind of being like a little fun stacker necklace with a crystal and maybe a flower or something. I'm going to make a mold for my polymer clay so I can use it in the future. That's very detailed and it's wonderful. And you can patina this, do anything with it. Very cool. I'll probably, once I make a mold out of it, I'll probably punch a hole in it and use it as a pendant. Ooh, next we have this Buddha pendant. I have a lot of these Buddha pendants, but this one was very cool. It's very interesting. It's fuzzy. I don't know if that's just accumulated like schmutz. I think that's actually what it is. And maybe I'll have to like paint this or something. I like how it looks old, but it's I don't know if this is like rope. I think this is pretty old. Maybe I'll either keep it like this or I'll probably paint the outsides. But I like it. It's pretty. It's a nice size. Beautiful. Next is just another baggie. Let's see what's in here. Oh, some carved fish. Oh my gosh. I think these are Aventurine. I don't remember what color, because the yellow is like red or pink Aventurine or something. I can't remember, but they're so cute. You know what? I just love animals and I love stone, so I love carved beads, animal beads. And then we have some green Aventurine, I think. So cute. Might be murdering some of these. I might not be saying the right colors or the right stones. Ooh, these are beautiful. So these are pearls. I think they might be cultured. I'm not sure. I cannot remember to save my life the listing. So there's a hole going this way through the cross. Very cool. I love these. I don't have anything like that. Next we have some brass rings, just 2 of them. I don't know the origin of these. I'm going to put them in my drawer with my African brass just so I know where they are. They are beautiful. And then 2 stampings. And I can patina these, use them as a pendant. You can use them as earrings, but you guys know I don't really wear earrings, so we'll see what they become. I love those. Okay, next, this is a $3 bag. So everything in this bag was $3. Some sodalite beads. I don't know, quite a few beads in here. They're like the rice shape. Very nice. I wish I knew where my bead picker upper was, my little triangle tray. Okay. Oh, here it is. Although I don't think I'll need it after those. So next in this were some cute African brass pendants. Ooh, these are lovely. And such a steal at $3. I love them. Those are gonna go right in my African drawer too. I love these. And you can patina them. You can make them look a little bit older, rub some bronze on there. Lovely. And then the last pendant from that $3 bag is this one, and I don't know if it's Aventurine. I'm not sure. Probably. This color screams Aventurine to me, but could be. Nah, I don't think it's Amazonite. So it's just a really neat pendant. It's just really neat, and it's huge. Love it. Beautiful gemstone focal. Don't know what the heck I'm going to do with it, but kind of looks like a unicorn horn or a wing if you turn it this way, or an ice cream scoop. So anyway, all right. Then I have one more bag of goodies that looks yummy. I got these magnesite nautical wheels. I always grab magnesite if I can find them in a cool shape. I have tons of these magnesite beads in different shapes, but I haven't seen this one before. So that's pretty cool. It was $2 for this strand. Some bamboo. Nope, not bamboo. Bamboo coral maybe, but some coral beads. These are nice. I love coral. For as much as I don't really love red, I love coral. And you guys saw that when I did my live yesterday. I love coral so much. We have a donut. Beautiful. I just love gemstone donuts. Some beautiful metal beads. I was worried when I saw these that they might be metal plated acrylic, but they're not. They're very heavy actually, and they're beautiful. I don't know if you can see the pattern on them. It's like a snakeskin crackle look. Beautiful. Love them. All right. And then last but not least, some toggle clasp. Oh, nope. Whoops. Missed these. I actually just saw some in my spacer bead soup jar. I saw some of these in gold that I think I got from Jesse James Beads, but these are really cool. Love those. They're triple hole, and they would be great for a bracelet or for a multi-strand necklace. And then last but not least, I got these toggles, and you guys know I love toggles. These are beautiful, and they're really nice, like heavy, nice quality, so pretty. You could use these as, you know, you don't have to use them always as toggles. Like sometimes I want to use these as like a drop or a charm, but they're beautiful. They are beautiful. And I don't ever worry about having a certain number. Like let's say if we have 6 sets of toggles and I use 2 of these for charms, I don't worry about just having 2 bars, because you can make well, first of all, you can make something out of polymer clay, but if you're using leather, you can make a loop that this can go into. So I don't worry about it. If I see something that I want to use as a charm, use it as a charm. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and share if you like beads or tutorials or jewelry making. And stay tuned to see a cute little video of Goldie. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. You just sleeping while mommy's working? You're so cute. Can you say hi to your friends? Oh, yeah, you want to tummy rub, huh? Say hello, everybody. Hi. Okay, have a good day. Bye-bye.